If you've been sneezing and wheezing, it's not news to you that we're at the beginning of a rough allergy season. Liam Gibler's here with advice from an allergist.
Dr. Mungat explains springtime allergies are caused by environmental factors, from juniper tree pollens to even the duration of the snow days we had in the high desert. This year's combination of factors has caused more people than usual to experience allergy symptoms. With a new wave of pollens coming, it's only going to get worse before it gets better.
Our body does not understand that this is a harmless substance. It thinks it's an invader and it's making allergic inflammation to attack it. The deciduous trees are still coming in bloom and we still have grass pollen, which is increasing. So I would recommend that you stay on your medications, especially if you're sensitive to those particular things, and continue on them regularly, even though you may be feeling better, because pollen can go up in waves.
Dr. Mungat recommends people with seasonal allergies spend more time indoors on high pollen days and shower after being outside. In addition to taking antihistamines like Zyrtec, Allegra, and Claritin, people suffering from severe allergies should see a doctor for irregular breathing. It could be allergy-related asthma. Liam Gibler, News Channel 21.